Hello class. Okay, for the next assignment number 4, number 4, we are going to create list. We create a kind of website with a list in it. It will look like this. I want it to look like this one here. Okay, simply. So we are going to have our heading Alpha School H2, that will be heading 2, building 1, H3, building 2, H3, and other will be H3. Okay, so let's get started. So I'll use my file explorer. I'll navigate to my website folder. Okay, in there, and then I'm going to create a new folder. Okay, new folder, and I'll name it list, and I say okay. Then everything will be kept in the list folder further. Let me open Anwriter. You can use Anwriter or html&html5 for iOS, and new. I'm going to do new. I'm going to open new file. Okay, good. New file by clicking on the plus button there. You know how to do it. So let me get started. I'm going to start with HTML as usual, and here I'm going to use only 2 tags, HTML and body. Just make things simple, and body opening and body closing. There we go. Now in here, what do you have? We have Alphonse International School. I told you that it was H2, so I'll start with H2, and it will be Alpha House School. I just say Alpha School. Again, I don't international school. International school. Okay, and I close H2. Next, I save it. I save it as making list, and navigate to my folder, website, and list, and press save. Thanks. And I try it out. Okay. So I want the page. I said the page was yellow. So I'll take care of the body tag there. Beige color straight away is equal to yellow right there. Save, try it out. Okay, and move. Now on the Alpha School, I'll start creating my list, and the list, it is ordered list. So to make an ordered list, first of all, I have the word building number 1, which will be H3. Start with building number 1, and heading 3, and heading 3. Okay, let's move on. Okay, the next thing will be creating the list. I use OL because it is an ordered list, alphabetical list, and know that OL has got 2 main attributes: type and start. Good practice first, OL opening and OL closing. Then I get back to here. It has got 2 main attributes: type and start. So what do I want in the list? I have the 7, which is in the first building, the 8, first building, and then, the first building. I finish with my list. Save it, and let me try it. Okay, doesn't work. What is missing? What is missing is the list tag. We need li, li, li for each, and li for each. So save, and we're going to have a list 1, 2, 3 in order. That is an ordered list. 1, 2, 3 numbered. By default, it is numbered list. But I don't really want a numbered list. I want alphabetical list. Okay, so alphabetical list, it will be type, will be alphabetical list, will be A, capital A. So press. Okay, so I have A, B, C. Good, the first building. I finished with the list. Now I need the second list. So I open another OL, another list. So OL, okay, and OL closing. Here we go. Okay. In the second list, we have the second list, which will be in the second building. So you say building number 2. Okay. And heading 3. Heading 3. Clear. Then in the list, we need to continue the list. A and 10. The 10. And 11 in the second building. Good. All these. But this list should be okay. Li. You have li. Don't forget that. Okay, good to go. Save and play. You see, it's not really in order. A, B, C, and then 1, 2. Okay, it's not in order. Let me remove this one. Good. We wanted to continue counting from A, B, C, and to start by D. Then I'll take care of the O8 here, and I need to add on extra information about the ordered list. And I'm going to say the type of list will be alphabetical list, capital, of course, and then it needs to start from the fourth letter of the alphabet. So start 4. The fourth letter is D. Save it and play. Okay, so we have A, B, C, D, E. D in the second building. Good. The last thing is another list, which will be other. Okay, it will be here, it will be other premises, facilities, and premises. So we have other will be H3, same as okay, and then H3. So this one also will be an ordered list. I want it to be an ordered list, and but the type is Roman letter of the alphabet double I, V, and 3 I's. So here, I say we're going to have Li, Li, Li. So we have You need to close this one. Did not close it. Okay, so li administration administration. The admin, and let's say we're going to have something else. Next one will be kg. Let's say kg, and close the OL. You need to close OL. So we don't need to close li. We can close li. We don't need to close it, so you can keep it that way. Save and play. So here we go. We have list of building 1, 2, and we have other type of building. We have the administration I and kg. That's all. In case you want to add on a list of unordered list, you can use ul with the attribute square, attribute type, only one attribute type, and value. The value will be a square, a circle, or a disk. Okay, good.